Augusta University and the Georgia Cancer Center is implementing a new program, SunSmart Skin Safe, where they are installing SPF 30 sunscreen dispensers on 4 different campuses on Augusta University. This makes them the first college in the university system of Georgia to have these dispensers. They had an event to promote the new hand-free dispensers and explain the importance of protecting your skin.
People are accumulating ultraviolet damage. Most of that ultraviolet damage happens before you're 18 because you've got the freedom to go out and play recess, go play sports, do all that kind of fun stuff before you end up inside working. It increases your risk of skin cancer.
Augusta University's Well-Being Program and Georgia Cancer Center are being proactive in skin safety by protecting students, employees, and the public by implementing these sunscreen dispensers on campus.
Basal cell skin cancer is the most common. I think that it accounts for probably 8 out of 10 skin cancers. Squamous cell carcinomas are the next most common, and even though, if they're caught early, people do well, but, sometimes they're not caught early and they can spread to other organs and people die from squamous cell carcinomas. And then finally, melanoma is not as common, but the incidence is increasing, and melanomas can be deadly, again, if they're not caught early.
The best way to combat skin cancer is protecting yourself from the sun, which can include a mineral-based sunscreen, SPF 30 or higher, reapplied every 2 hours, or sun protective clothing, such as hats, umbrellas, sunglasses, and long sleeves. It is good to start these things as early as possible to decrease your risk of skin cancer.
I think that setting a precedent, so when children are young, if you just teach them to wear their long sleeves, wear their hat, wear their sunscreen.
For more information, visit the link on your screen or in the description below. You can also scan the QR code on the screen.